Step into a K-pop studio with me in Gangnam as I put the style back into Gangnam Style, the soul back into Seoul, the Friday back into Rebbeca Black.
So hard. He's saying, oh, if you want to record a different song.
Because I cannot sing, but that didn't stop me from recording a K-pop song and music video.
You're a recording artist now.
Professional.
Oh, you look like singer.
I got that superstar glow. Better than the original, yeah?
Oh, we.
Let it roll!
Meet the producer who will try to make it sound like I can actually sing.
Oh, hello. He's not a good singer.
Yeah.
Just letting you know.
Just letting you know I don't know how to sing, so it'll be funny.
Okay.
I put on my hat.
Yes, good sunny inside.
You're very tall.
Yeah.
This is a local thing, so they don't speak English and we don't speak Korean. Which is our fault since it's their country, but they were happy to work with us and it made the whole thing a lot more interesting.
Paper, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Can't memorize it.
Yeah.
As we all know, the outfit is the most important part of music, so I had to dress the part, and it's safe to say that the producers approved.
Say you look very handsome.
Just letting you know that wasn't a joke. I can't sing. I think I'm very bad at singing, so low expectations.
Fine.
Oh, he's a bad singer. Bad singer.
We kept telling them, but I don't think they knew what they were in for.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I don't know when it starts, sorry. Professional.
Today we will be recording a cover of the BTS song Butter, which the studio suggested because it's in English.
We play original songs. So
Okay.
You can look. Okay.
No need to. We gotta make her roll.
Okay. This song is very difficult song.
Better than the original, yeah?
Well, that's an awkward silence.
We here on Insta, okay? Okay. Wait a second. Okay.
Maybe we should do it in segments.
Even if it's not K-pop, you can sing a song that you like.
Oh.
Well, that's probably not a sign that this was going well.
He's saying, oh, if you want to record a different song.
No, we'll do it.
He's fine with this.
Okay.
Even if it's so bad. He's doing it for fun.
Okay, we record.
Okay.
Let's go.
Side step left to the high beat.
Okay.
Break it down there.
Yeah, he's not getting that one.
Wait.
Yeah. So we will record the break it down separately because you cannot get that in the same
Okay, yeah.
part.
Let's go.
좋아요.
Okay, good.
Yeah. You're supposed to say break it down.
Okay, you and record. Break it down. Okay.
Yeah.
Break it down?
So you only do the break it down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Go.
Break it down.
Oh, you look like singer.
Better than the original.
Okay.
And we will record Oh When I Look in the Mirror.
Okay. 여기 파트. Okay. Wait.
파트가 not do the boogie like not do the boogie like.
Don't do that one.
Ooh,
Oh, we follow him.
Okay.
He's good.
ooh, do the boogie like.
Yeah, he doesn't get that part.
Know that I got that hit. Let me show you how to get it.
Follow him.
Yeah, okay.
He's a good singer.
One more.
Okay. One more.
Yep.
So do better.
Sorry.
Okay. That's fine.
I went to the wrong line. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Let's go. Okay. So wrong take. Oh, good. You like Usher. We change another part.
There was a lot of stopping for them to do a lot of editing.
You like it.
Tony.
Okay, one more.
Now you can step inside the studio and hear how bad the raw audio of me singing is. Oh, when I look in the mirror, I'll melt your heart into two. I got that superstar glow, so do the boogie like. Side step, right, left to my beat.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Ooh, stop and another record.
Okay,
and,
yeah.
Okay.
너무 잘하시는데.
아 너무 어려워.
So hard.
I'm not native speaker. Okay, let's go.
These guys were amazing. They really had to work hard to keep up with my level of talent and tried every trick they knew to make it work.
그게 나을 것 같아.
Okay. Fine. One more. Very good. Okay, wait. 편집을 뭐라 하지?
편집.
편집 시간이 좀 필요하다고 좀 들었어요.
에디팅.
Editing.
Editing. Yeah.
Wait.
You have a lot of editing to do because it's so bad.
No, that's good.
Can you sing the rap part?
Can you sing rap?
Can you sing rap?
Yeah.
Rap.
Yeah, can you sing rap? Can you rap?
See? Try.
Okay.
It's a bit faster.
I editing more. Okay, so
Yeah.
wait.
Yeah.
It's okay, don't worry. Doesn't mind.
All the players have been moving the bass low. All the army right behind us, so we say so.
Why are you rapping?
Do you want to listen to it first?
팝하고 친구는 어디 갔죠 근데 저희? Very 팝하고.
얘기해보실래요?
My rapping was so good, they suggested,
잘라.
Oh, like put the rap of the original song in.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you
you
want, we can use the BTS rap part.
Yeah.
So if you cannot get it right.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
So featuring BTS.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Editing time. One more. Okay, one more. Okay, too fast.
Stop.
Okay, one more request.
You have to sing faster than you think. So you have to
Okay.
sing faster for this one.
We gonna make you rock. Yeah.
We gonna make you rock and you say. We gonna make you bounce and you say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hotter,
Correct,
sweeter. Yeah. That's better. Roll is higher.
Okay.
Get it, let it roll.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Try that.
Okay. Okay, you wait one beat.
Yeah.
So get it, let it go.
Yeah, there's like get it, let it roll.
Hotter, sweeter, cooler, hotter. Get it,
let it go. Okay.
Yeah, there's No.
Okay. That's fine. Low melodies. Low.
Like higher.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, higher.
어, 이거
Okay, this good. I moving one beat. Okay. Record.
Get it, let it
Sing
go.
together.
Oh.
Okay.
So, butter,
Butter.
stunner,
Summer.
summer.
Bummer. You want record
Oh, record. That
together?
one.
Sing together.
Oh.
Okay. One.
I'll do the second. I don't know. I haven't really heard it, so.
Summer. Butter. Okay.
Okay, just summer butter.
Yeah.
So which part do I sing? What is this you're making me do?
Yep.
Okay. I don't know how to do this.
We just try.
Butter. Stunner. Okay. Butter.
Summer. Like summer.
Summer.
Yeah.
I'm confused.
You just butter.
Yeah, I know,
Stunner.
but I'm a bit confused.
Okay.
Butter. Stunner. Summer. Yeah, well, I don't like this.
Butter. Stunner. Summer. Bummer. Yeah. Yeah.
One more. Okay. I think your song makes it a bit confusing. Stunner.
You said that like I
Summer.
didn't nail it.
Yeah, you didn't.
Yeah.
I missed one. Oh.
the producer said in our headphones sounds like BTS.
Exactly like BTS. Yeah.
Sorry is very bad.
Sorry, my English is bad.
Oh no.
Okay.
Wait,
Yep.
Can do it.
And the song was finally done. Now it was time to record a music video.
됩니다.
원하면은 그냥 모자 위에
Oh, so you sing along to the song
Okay.
they're playing. So like lip sync?
Yep.
Keep lip sync?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like lip sync.
Yeah.
One step back, please. Yeah. Thank you. Say you look very handsome.
Oh. Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. So do the boogie lights. Rolling up to the party with the right rides. Try as butter, hit us.
She kind of dance along.
That's all. Yeah, roll.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it? Okay.
Hotline. Ain't no. You be like, oh my god. We gon' make it rock.
Okay, we finished.
Okay.
Oh,
Fun, thank
Okay.
you.
성우 그냥
네.
you're a recording artist now.
Professional.
Right as I say that, I drop my coffee cup.
It's very nice to see you recording
그냥
positively and brightly.
We didn't know how it will happen. You're so good. Like very patient.
If you want to watch the unedited first take of singing this and the final edited version, first you gotta like and subscribe, and the only place you can see it is here because it's unlisted because I don't want random people finding it.